This is the number 20 Seagull word study quiz. Number 1, monologue. The actor had a short monologue at the beginning of the play. Number 1 is monologue. Number 2, Monopoly. Have you ever played the board game Monopoly? Number 2 is Monopoly. Number 3, triathlon. The athlete competed in the Ironman triathlon. Number 3 is triathlon. Number 4, monolingual. If you can speak only one language, you are considered monolingual. Number 4 is monolingual. Number 5, bisect. They were asked to bisect the flower in science class. Number 5 is bisect. Number 6, tripod. Dad needed a tripod to steady his camera. Number 6 is tripod. Number 7, bi-weekly. The magazine was issued bi-weekly. Number 7 is bi-weekly. Number 8, triplets. The woman's stomach was so large it looked like she was carrying triplets. Number 8 is triplets. Number 9, bilingual. Bilingual individuals can speak two languages fluently. Number 9 is bilingual. Number 10, tricolor. The tricolor car really stood out. Number 10 is tricolor. Number 11, trilogy. The C.S. Lewis trilogy is one of my favorites. Number 11 is trilogy. Number 12, trigonometry. If you are really good at math, you may have to take trigonometry in high school. Number 12 is trigonometry. Number 13, monotony. The monotony of the speaker's voice was putting the audience to sleep. Number 13 is monotony. Number 14, triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Number 14 is triangle. Number 15, biennial. If something is biennial, it happens every other year. Number 15 is biennial. Number 16, monopod. A fishing rod is considered monopod because it only has one leg. Number 16 is monopod. Number 17, triennial. A triennial event happens every 3 years. Number 17 is triennial. Number 18, monotone. The teacher's voice was very monotone and boring. Number 18 is monotone. Number 19, bicameral. Our government is considered bicameral because of the two branches of the Senate and the House of Congress. Number 19 is bicameral. Number 20, tricentennial. If something is tricentennial, it only happens every 300 years. Number 20 is tricentennial. Number 21, biceps. The weightlifter was trying to build his biceps. Number 21 is biceps. Number 22, bi-monthly. Unfortunately, my favorite show only comes out bi-monthly. Number 22 is bi-monthly.